Hello guys, I'm at my competition right now here at Great Lakes Speed Cubing Championship and I'm practicing 3x3.
Jeremy, I ripped it. Look. Jeremy, look, I ripped it.
Okay, so we start off with a 39. Okay, so pretty soon I have to judge, yeah, like in 2 minutes, like I have to judge group 1. Oh, it's just a t-shirt. Oh.
We're gonna go with
Now Jeremy's turn. Where's the Jeremy? He needs this. Where did he go? Okay, he's right there. Jeremy!
Jeremy!
Okay, it's okay. He knows.
Unless you want to give me Hey, how's it going?
Jeremy, you're gonna compete now, right? It's your turn to compete, right? It's group 2.
It's group 4.
You're group 4?
I'm in group 4.
Oh, okay. I was like so rushed. Here you go. Come here. I thought you group 2. I kept confusing.
Oh my god.
Okay, here is. I'm just chasing him. I thought it's his turn, but
Okay,
yeah.
so I just finished judging. Yeah, this is my practice.
Last time you were 9 seconds, right?
What?
You did. You always show beats 9, mommy 9.
50. Oh, at that competition, I got a 15-second average, not 9.
Yeah? That was trick.
I got.
whenever you're ready.
Ready.
Seconds.
Now I'm gonna give you a DNF for that.
Is that good?
Yeah. Good job.
It's good setup. 141? I'm 149. Whoa. Very close. Yeah, so I can prove it to you.
You see, if you're new here, you would see those times by the side of me. Those are the times I get when I'm solving my cube. After I solve my cube, for all 5 attempts, the fastest and slowest time get removed. The fastest time will be colored in green, and the slowest time will be colored in red. as you can see in the last solve, it's actually in letters. That is because it's a DNF, which means did not finish.
Hello guys, we're at the hotel and we're gonna go to the downtown where my competition is located. And let me give you a hotel tour. So when we got in the hotel, it looked like this. We got a movable chair, another chair with leg thing, 2 beds, and then we got an AC, a backpack, nothing famous about that, and then the table. The table extends and goes back. Came with a microwave and the TV with the remote. Got channels, and then got drawer lock. And then over here is the door. And then we've got the bathroom, and in this room is the toilet and shower. Yeah, that's pretty much it about the hotel, and we'll see you at the downtown. Okay, I'm about to compete in 2x2. Scramble the cube. We'll announce it pretty soon. Okay.
Is it faster?
11.
Okay. I'm a scrambler now.
This is harder.
Oh, good.
Oh,
7 minutes. 7 seconds. Go.
oh my god.
Okay.
Wait, what? 12?
Nice. Let's do it again.
Got a 12.1. Wait, I see Enzo. I saw Enzo over there.
Back then, these would be very good times for me, but me editing in 2026, these are horrible times, especially with the +2.
Oh, you didn't finish it.
11.
Finish.
It was
It was a 9.
It was a 9.
Good.
But it was like this, so
So
it's 11. It's 11. I'm so nervous about the round.
Are you group 1?
Group 3. I think they're doing. Wait, what time is it? Yeah, it's almost done. Oh. Yep. What's your So I bet you at a competition. Yeah. Four. My best tier was like an 8, and I'm trying to beat that. I kept getting like 7, 7s, and 4s. I kept getting a ton of. I got a 4.
No, no.
2x2 is gonna go by fast.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah. Are you ready?
No, it's not. I think I might have.
I got an hour and 5 seconds over my normal average. It was very
Okay. Oh wait. Okay. Yep. I need one more time. I need to get lower than cutoff. Yep. Yes! That's right. Let's go. Yep. Ooh! Nice.
Is that a personal best for you?
Yeah.
Wait, it's the wrong box.
Yep. Okay.
The last one that I just did was like a half inch off being 1 tick away. I was so close to this.
Have you solved that yet?
Yeah, I used to remember how to solve that. I don't anymore, but I could probably relearn it. The tricky part